Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have a class on properties of quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? What are its parts or elements of the quadrilateral? Already you have learnt. Just let us have once more before going through exactly properties of quadrilaterals. Okay? What is a quadrilateral? Quad means four, lateral means sides. So a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Okay? And when we say polygon, it is a closed figure. Let me name it as ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And we know that in a quadrilateral, there are four sides. Here, particularly here in this quadrilateral, the four sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the four sides of the quadrilateral. And also, we know that the point at which two lines meet is called the vertex. Two sides meet. So there are four vertices in a quadrilateral. They are A, B, C, D. Okay? And also there are four angles in a quadrilateral. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And particularly in this quadrilateral, at these four, only one angle is there at four vertices. So directly we can write angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D we can write. Or very clearly if you want, if we name the angles properly, that will be good. That is angle BAD, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA. CD. These are the four angles. These are inside the quadrilateral. So they are also said to be interior angles. These are four interior angles. When we say angles, means that is understood that interior. If these are the interior angles, what are the exterior angles? When a side of a quadrilateral is produced or any polygon is produced, we get an exterior angle. BC is produced to P. Then angle DCP is the exterior angle. Similarly, let me produce CD to Q, DA to R and AB to S. So when we get these all are exterior angles. So a quadrilateral has got four exterior angles also. And in this particular figure, the four exterior angles are angle DCP, angle ADQ, angle ADQ I have named this figure as Q, angle RAB, and this is angle SBC, SBC or CBS. And a quadrilateral has got two diagonals. When we join the opposite vertices, we got the diagonals of the polygon, and the two diagonals of this quadrilateral are AC and BD. I hope this is clear to you. These are the parts of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now let us learn what are the different types of quadrilateral. Okay. There are different types of quadrilateral. Actually, as per the figures, there are two types of quadrilaterals. There are two types of quadrilaterals. They are convex. Second one is concave. Okay, what is a convex quadrilateral and what is a concave quadrilateral? Let me explain you. Okay, in a convex quadrilateral, all the sides are less than 180 degree. All the angles are, interior angles are less than 180 degree. But in a concave quadrilateral, let me show you the figure first. Let me name it as A, B, C, D again. And concave, let me name is H, P, Q, R, S. This vertex Q. We can observe here angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, all are less than 180 degree. But here angle P, angle R, angle S are less than 180. But angle Q is more than 180 degree. I hope this is clear to you. If a quadrilateral has got one or more angles greater than 180 degree, then that quadrilateral is said to be a concave quadrilateral. So first one is, here all angles are less than 180 degree for concave, convex or not, whereas for concave at least one angle is more than 180 degree. Okay, that is said to be a concave. It's a quadrilateral, so at least one angle is more than 180 degree, then it is said to be concave quadrilateral. I think it is clear to you. And here when we draw the diagonals intersect each other interiorly. Where in a convex quadrilateral, both the diagonals, they are interior of the quadrilateral, but we can see PQRS, Q is one diagonal, PR is another diagonal, PQRS. PR, the diagonal PR is outside the quadrilateral. So your second point is, both the diagonals, that is in a convex quadrilateral, both the diagonals are in the interior of the quadrilateral. In the interior of the quadrilateral. Whereas here one diagonal, or at least one diagonal we can say. Yeah, actually in concave here only two diagonals, so one diagonal will be interior, one diagonal is interior, in the interior, and the other diagonal is in the exterior of the quadrilateral. Exterior means outside. I hope this is clear to you about what is a convex quadrilateral and what is a concave quadrilateral. The difference between these two is, okay, I hope this is clear to you about the word. And you are going to learn about different properties of quadrilateral, angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and relation between, there are different special types of quadrilaterals and all, which you are going to learn in the next classes. Thank you.